Hello, today I bring you an unboxing review of the iPollo V1H mining machine, weighing approximately 10.8 kilograms including the packaging. The model iPollo V1H supports the V1H algorithm, allowing mining of various cryptocurrencies such as ETHW, ETHF, ETC, QKC, CLO, POM, ZIL, and more. With an impressive hashing power of up to 850 M and a power consumption of 690 W, for more detailed specifications, please visit the official Woyu website. Now, let's proceed with the installation. Connect the power cable, select the power cable connector based on the power interface, establish a network connection, plug in the power, and press the power socket switch to turn it on. Once powered on, configure the settings, and the mining machine will start running. At 850 M hashing power, the power consumption is approximately 690 W, and the noise level is around 60 decibels, an outstanding performance. How to set up the mining machine for normal operation. Enter the mining machine's backend settings, fill in the mining pool worker name, mining address, and set the cryptocurrency to mine. Save the settings, wait for about 10 minutes, and the hashing power should stabilize. The backend will display various parameters. Check the mining pool page to see online mining machine quantity, individual hashing power, total hashing power, earnings, and more. In summary, the iPollo V1H is a high-performance V1H algorithm mining machine, supporting the mining of various cryptocurrencies. Its impressive 850 M hashing power and 690 W power consumption make it excel in efficient mining. User-friendly and suitable for various mining needs, it is an ideal choice for miners. For more information about mining machines, mining pools, wallets, and checking earnings, please visit the Woyu official website.